In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access safety and emergency. Now select emergency contacts and tap on add emergency contact. Following that, tap on the one that you wish to add and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you finish, hit done at the bottom. As you can see, my emergency contacts were successfully added. If you wish to remove one of them, use those three dots at the top right corner. Select Delete and tap on the chosen one. Then hit Remove at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!